You just must have your own website. Your own website is of paramount importance. Get it, program it, or have someone else program it for you. Your website must appear professional and yet still be simple and focused. The internet is at the heart of nearly everything nowadays, and attorneys will turn to it at a moment's notice to seek out potential experts. A key tactic to consider is that the name of your website is of utmost importance. Specifically, the domain name has the greatest effect, in my opinion, on the search engines. For example, choosing www.expert-witnesses.net as a domain name for expert witness training demonstrates that fact. Incorporating your specialty subject as part of the domain name will directly influence the search engines. A well-chosen domain name provides the best visibility to lawyers looking for your expertise. You should strive to make your website reflect your background, skills, expertise, and professionalism, even if you have to hire a website designer or programmer to do it for you. Afterwards, you must still regularly enhance your website's content and continue to market it to and through the search engines. Effective website design will do that for you. While artistic elements are appreciated, lawyers are more interested in your website's content. Attorneys tend to be less concerned with your website's jazziness than your specific credentials, presence, and skills to be their expert witness. As to convincing lawyers that you can help them, the introductory phone call is your biggest opportunity before they hire you and to influence that decision. When they call, they're just inquiring typically about you and your experience and considering at that point whether to hire you. You can show them that you already understand litigation support and that you know your specialty as well. You can begin suggesting to them, even in this introductory phone call, how you would approach helping them. You are just being proactive with your own knowledge and skills. After you work on several cases and after learning the additional tasks that attorneys typically always need, you can help even more during those introductory phone calls. You can offer some free technical advice regarding what you might suggest doing technically, or even share with them the sort of things that other attorneys have done legally in similar cases that you have experience in. You're not giving advice to the lawyer on the law, but you are sharing your experiences in other cases that are similar. This will help if you have more experience in a style of case than the attorney himself or herself has. Your experience may help them identify questions to ask or information to obtain. You could also suggest what steps you might take to reach an opinion about the facts in their particular matter. This approach just uses your specialty expertise as a selling tool in a low-key way. Right after being hired, you can immediately contribute to the progress and the process of the case by helping the attorneys understand the technical facts. As you yourself become aware of the facts and the issues in the case, you can contribute further. You can formulate a series of technical questions that your retaining attorney can use when he or she writes various legal documents. You should understand what relevant questions you can ask. You also are the one who will be able to explain the technical responses to those questions from briefs to the attorney. It is part of your role to guide the attorney in what is called the discovery process. You can construct the technical questions that will require technical answers from the other side. You can decide how to best uncover the technical facts that you can use to help formulate your eventual opinions.